Santos from Center for Social Studies of University of Coimbra, Portugal, and we are leading work package 5 that concerns the study of the social impact of financialization and of financial crisis. Well, it's a rather challenging scientific project, theoretically and empirically, given that it's interdisciplinary and pluralistic nature. So it brings researchers with very different backgrounds from various parts. Moreover, it is particularly relevant given that you are in the midst of a financial crisis affecting differently the various countries which are represented in this project, and namely the peripheral countries of the European Union. And coming from one of such peripheral countries, this is really interesting and relevant for us. Well, for the reasons I've just mentioned, the scientific challenge that it represents, and its policy relevance. The work package we are leading at Coimbra, Portugal, aims at evaluating the social impact of financialization and of the financial crisis. So it will mainly with a focus on the relation of financialization and households. So it will try to understand the process that gradually and increasingly involved families, individuals in families, with the financial sector, and what are the consequences of this gradual involvement. So we will try to look at the importance of various factors such as declining wages, the evolution of income inequality, the evolution of welfare states in the various countries, the role of public policy in promoting or not, for instance, consumer debt or mortgage credit, and then also to study the consequences, the implications of this involvement to individuals and families' well-being. Well, we want to contribute to a better understanding of both the causes and the consequences of financialization, because there is a moralistic discourse around the difficulties that individuals, families, groups of people, even nations are facing nowadays. So we want to deconstruct this moralistic discourse, which is not really based on a good grasp, a good description of the financialization process. So by contributing to a better understanding, namely of the relations of families with the financial sector, we want to be able to propose better solutions to the problems that consumers are now facing. We will discuss concepts of well-being and bringing different perspectives on the discussion what well-being means. It will gather excellent information on the various dimensions of well-being that will be discussed, such as income, but also more non-material dimensions of well-being, such as more cultural dimensions. It will have a very innovative research methodology, which is action research. So we will involve various social actors. A well-functioning financial sector will be in order to satisfy the needs of various groups of people.